is Shilika for Medico Awesome. So today I'm gonna share a mnemonic, or not a mnemonic exactly, a way to remember the IPCs from section 175 to 179. So these are basically a part of Indian Evidence Act, and these are frequently asked in medical practice and in MCQs. So here it is about IPCs 175 to 179. So the story goes like, imagine there's a small kid, or imagine you as a small kid who's having a bad report day. So the report card scores are very low and you don't want to tell your parents about it. So these are the things where you can do. So IPC 175 in the bad report day stories says that it is omission to produce a document. That is, you'll not show your report card to your parents. So you are just omitting to produce the document. So this is one thing we can do. So you are still punishable under IPC 175. With IPC 176, the teacher told you to give some notice to your parents that because you have flung, they are supposed to meet the teacher. So you are omitting to give the notice or the information to your parents. So you are still punishable under IPC 176. So in both these IPCs, this omission to produce a document is to a public servant, where a doctor or some any other authority is legally bound to produce that document, or omission to give notice or information to public servant by person legally bound to give it. So hence these two IPCs 175 and 176. Under IPC 177, what other thing you can do with your report is furnish false information. So this is one of the worst things, that you make a false report card and you show it to your parents. So under section 177 IPC, furnishing false information is a punishable offense. And then we move on to IPC 178. And in this IPC, what else you can do is you can refuse an oath or affirmation and you will be punishable. So under section 178 IPC, refusing oath or affirmation when duly required by public servant to make it. Some public servant needs that oath or affirmation, like they do in the court. They put up a Gita in front of you, Bhagavad Gita, and they ask you to take an oath. And if you refuse to do it, you are punishable under section 178 IPC. So likewise, in section 179 IPC, you refuse to answer. Your parents are asking about the report and you are not answering, and you are punishable under IPC 179. So that's it for these IPCs. A quick revision: IPC 175 is omission to produce a document to a public servant by a person legally bound to produce it, is punishable. And under section 176, omission to give notice or information to a public servant by a person legally bound to give it. By under 177 IPC, furnishing of the false information and is a punishable offense. And 178, refuse to take an oath or affirmation, and likewise under 179, refuse to answer. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I'll try to make more IPCs which are being asked in various MCQ exams. So that's it for today. Stay awesome.